Paper-based versus computer-based IELTS. I side with computer-based IELTS. Why? Well, let me break it down for you. First things first. In the computer-based writing module, you finish earlier. Don't believe me? Well, the average handwriting speed is around 40 words per minute, and the average typing speed is also around 40 words per minute. Now, there's certainly a margin of error in these two statistics, but if you factor in the time taken to make corrections on paper as opposed to making corrections on keyboard, then I think typing certainly comes out on top. And if you make the argument that you don't type very often, well then let me ask you this. Do you write more words by hand more often than you type? Everyone has smartphones nowadays and everyone texts. So unless you're using voice to text, I would make the argument that you have typed more words in your lifetime than you have written by hand. So if you go for the computer-based IELTS test, you will more likely finish earlier and you'll have more time to clean your mess. I mean, you'll have more time to make corrections after your attempt. And always remember, checking for mistakes is a part of your attempt. If you don't proofread your writing, then your attempt is incomplete. And your attempt will turn out to be much cleaner. Because it doesn't matter if your handwriting is good or bad, if you make a mistake while typing, and if you make a correction, it will never ever leave a mark. And anyway, good handwriting can never guarantee a good band score, but bad handwriting can certainly lower your band score. I mean, what good would be your attempt if your handwriting is not even legible? In the computer-based reading module, there is no fiddling with papers. You won't have to flip back and forth through your reading booklet in order to search for the answers. Now, computer-based reading is less confusing because on the one hand you have the passage and on the other hand you have the questions. You would know that this is the page where the answers to these questions lie, not the next page, not the previous page, but the page that is right in front of you, right next to the questions you're looking at. Moreover, you can copy and paste stuff. You can't do that in paper-based IELTS. Like if you found a word that is the answer to a question, you can simply highlight that word with the mouse, copy it, and then paste it in the corresponding box. That is so easy, you won't even have to check for spellings. Moreover, you can go back and forth to any page at any time. Suppose you've done section number 1, but you're doubtful about a couple of questions. You have the option to mark these question numbers and highlight them in order to review them later. So after you've attempted the other questions, you can always come back to section 1 and review the doubtful questions at any time during your attempt. How cool is that? The same rules apply to the listening module as well. Highlight the doubtful answers and review them at any time during your attempt. But what's even more cool is the fact that MCQs are much less confusing. They can be a little challenging in the paper-based listening, right? In the computer-based listening, there is no A, B, C, D, E bullshit. All you have to do is click on the correct answer and you're good to go. And maybe it's just me, but being able to select and highlight the text using the cursor makes me focus even better. Try it out, maybe it works for you too. And if you're someone who has the habit of making notes during listening, don't worry at all. They will give you a piece of paper and a pen to make notes if you need to. Well, there's no computer-based speaking in IELTS yet. I say yet because I have information that the British Council and the IDP are planning to start conducting the speakings on the computers as well, which means that the candidates and the examiners wouldn't even have to be in the same city. All the more reason to believe that computer-based IELTS is actually the future. And I think the best advantage that the computer-delivered candidates have over the paper-delivered ones is that you get your results within 5 days of your test date. There is no need to wait for those 13 long and stressful days. And because most candidates still prefer to go for paper-based in India, there are so many more dates to choose from when it comes to computer-based, which gives you so much more freedom to book your test date.